Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, the weekend has come to a close. It is time to get ready for the Monday grind. So I'm hoping you're getting your relax on, you're doing the things you need to do in order to get ready for the work week. All right, so with that, we got an awesome watch face to check out by GS Watch Faces. So let's go ahead, let's kick this review off. Now, the name of the watch face is called GS Digital 12. My man really got down on this watch face. If you have not checked out his lineup, check out his lineup. This guy has a lot to offer in unique digital and analog watch faces. Now, taking a look at this watch face, my man really got down on the design and the layout of this one. In the AOD mode, for the Gears 3, you're going to get the same design, same look as if the watch face was on. For the Gears 2, you will get a slightly different look, but you will be able to see your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, looking at this watch face again, I'm loving the design of this one because everything is clear and legible up at the top. You are going to get your battery percentage in the meter, and you will get it in numeral numbers as well, which looks good. I like that he got all your step status info in one place, therefore you don't have to look for it all over the place. Get a nice font for the digital time. I love when people change up the font on the digital time as well. I hate the basic look all the time. You will get weeks in, days in of the year that we are already. Get your date down at the bottom as well as the days of the week, animated seconds, and you get an AM stamp. So this is a good look for a super casual watch face, right? Now, down at the bottom, I can set a favorite if I so choose. I just single tap, and then you get another one right up at the top. And then if you need to go into your weather, you can. And then if you come down, you can set your alarm. You can also get your messages and also make a phone call as well. Now, the watch face is inactive, so if I double tap here, I could change the color of my animated seconds, right? Depending on what you want. I thought that was a good look, right? And if I double tap on the AM time, I could do the same thing with that one, which I thought was pretty cool. And also up at the top, well, let's start in the middle. I can change the color theme of the watch face, which I thought was awesome. So depending on what you have on for that day or what's your favorite color, you can set that too with no problem, right? But also, if I double tap at the top, I could change the theme a little bit in the center and around the bezel of the watch, which looks good. Again, the color coordinate with whatever I have on for that day. So GS got down. I'm giving the guy 3 thumbs up in the door for this design. I love the look. I love the layout. But at the end of the day, it's all about you. What did you think? Now, hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.